Gonna do a stator, voltage regulator, and maybe the clutch on a 2009 Sportster 1200. Funny enough, I had another Sportster in here that needed a stator, but this guy came in and needed it done faster. This one was just in here for a no start a couple of months ago, and that was a bad battery connection. And then he ran it for a little while, and now it won't stay charged up. He brought it to me, it was only putting out 9 volts. So obviously it needs a stator. Gonna go ahead and do the voltage regulator, because if one's bad, the other one's going. So let's get this knocked out. What you got there?
A gel.
Broke all those loose all the way around, and I'm about to impact them off. I'm gonna impact this off too. I already broke it loose. Just the big thing here is to take the tension off of the chain. Right here, you can just use old universal. All right, and just bring it up, and that should do it. Yep, there it is. Bring that down. That'll take the tension off of your chain in there. All right, using a really slim tipped flathead, pop this off, and you can start adjusting this to bring out the other nut. Once you have all the tension off your cable, all right, hopefully the video caught all that. It's a hard angle to work at there for the camera. All right, back this off. Once that's at the end, we can pull this. Try not to lose any of the ball bearings. All right, take that out, spin it, and there you go. That's out. Keep all that together. Do not lose any of that stuff. And then we have all the pressure off there. So you can either spin that off if you want to, you really don't have to. The cable, I mean. What I usually do, either use a rubber mallet or you can just give it a little tap, pull a pad there. That's what I always end up doing. All right, get it backed off. Get the snap ring out of there. These things suck. I hate snap rings so much. Set that down. We have 1 1/8 on your compensator, normal thread. We have 1 13/16 in the back on the clutch, and that's always going to be the opposite. It's reverse thread on clutches. So righty-tighty, lefty-loosey does not apply to your clutch. All right, you gotta find something to wedge in there. They make little tools for it, but they're nothing special. They're really just like plastic. So I just have a piece of metal wrapped in some cardboard sitting right there on the primary. All right, compensator one off. Clutch, remember, not righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. It's lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. There we go. You will have to use a pry bar. Well, looks like I don't. Guess, you know, this one's lost all suction, but usually this stator, this magneto over here, it is solid, so, but not this time. It's coming right off. Try and bring it off in one assembly if you can. Come through to the other side, right up here, up against the frame. There's your connector. Just disconnect that. T20 Torx head. If you round these off, life is over. So make sure that you have a good bite on it before you go spinning. On the other side, you got to get that connector on through. You can start bringing it out. That's really the hardest part of all this, is getting that one through to where it needs to go. Sorry, the camera's sagging. Let's see if I can find it on the other side. Basically, to save time on the video, I'm not going to show you me wrestling with this thing because it takes a while. It's just, you have to fish that back through here. Maybe easier if you pull the exhaust in this cover and all that, but it's not really necessary. There we go. That's always fun. What'd you get? Okay, quick reminder. This one's backwards. Just before you go zapping it down the opposite direction and wondering why it won't stay on. So for the new regulator, you have two 10 mils that hold it on the front. And then you have the one plug that goes to the stator on the back side. And you have this one right here that runs back into the main harness. Disconnect that. Come back here, kind of hung up on some stuff. And I'll pull that through. You having fun yet? Yeah. Yeah. I'm not. Just kidding. This really ain't that bad. Stators are pretty straightforward as long as you don't have a bike that's been all rigged up. All right. For the new one. Okay, I backed it over here because this thing is stupid loud. Nice strong stator. Appreciate y'all watching.